So it seems like it happens when you actually get on the throttle. If you let off, it goes away. But then sometimes you get on the throttle, it's fine.